From OEM replacement parts to high-tech race applications, EBC Brakes is a leader in the automotive aftermarket. Now, we've used their rotors and pads for years, and their performance is outstanding. And now EBC is manufacturing brake calipers as well. They're handmade in Kettering, England from aluminum ingots. Once the metal is melted in the furnace, it undergoes a low-pressure casting process. The low-pressure technique produces a very homogeneous, strong caliper with less impurities in the aluminum. After the calipers are machined, anodized, and coated, final assembly begins. The crossover pipe is attached and torqued to spec. Next, the bleed nipple is installed and torqued. The pistons are lubed and placed into the assembly, followed by the abutment plates. The bolt collar and tension bolts are next. Now that the caliper is assembled, it's pressure tested up to 1700 psi to make sure it can handle the stresses of stopping a vehicle. The pressure test ensures no leaks or structural integrity issues. Every single caliper in the facility receives this quality assurance process. EBC Brakes is on the leading edge of rotor technology as well. Their racing division's high-performance floating rotor was designed in-house by EBC. Once the appropriate vehicle is brought to the facility, computer-aided design is used to create a strong, high-performance product built to exact specifications. Manufacturing starts with a lightweight piece of aluminum billet. It's machined to spec, creating the center hub. Once it's anodized, the hub is laser etched with markings for identification, specifications, and quality control. The outer is made from a high-carbon cast iron alloy, which receives slots from the CNC machine. The outer can expand and contract freely on the center hub. Under intense braking heat of roughly 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, the outer ring can expand by 1.6 millimeters. By mating the center hub and the outer ring with stainless steel bobbins, the outer can expand and contract without causing vibration or heat distortion. The system allows for 3 millimeter total of movement by the outside ring. When the outer ring is worn, it can be replaced individually, letting you keep the center hub and save some money. It will be sold as a new bolt-on kit with the two-piece race rotors, calipers, hoses, and stainless steel-backed race pads. Now, if you're not looking for a race kit, no worries. EBC has you covered with pads and rotors for pretty much any vehicle on the road. Just log on to ebcbrakes.com and find out what fits your ride and your driving style.